How to download Olymp Trade on your iPhone step by step. Are you on iPhone and want to start using Olymp Trade? Then here is how you can do it. Welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and we are going to be learning how you can install the popular Olymp Trade application on your smartphone. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's operating system. In the search bar, type in Olymp Trade and search. Look for the Olymp Trade online trading application from SmartX International. Once you find this application in the info section, tap on the Get button and start downloading the app on your device. Now the app should start downloading on its own. Wait for the application to install, which may take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, click on Open. Beware of unofficial applications. There are many scams out there. Always check the developer and app reviews first. Now, once you are done opening up the app, you can go ahead and get started. Create a new account for Olymp Trade. If you already have an Olymp Trade account, your credential will work here as well. Click on the login button and enter your correct credentials in order to sign in. So that is how you can easily download and install the Olymp Trade application on your Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.